to this YouTube channel, Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up STM Tunnel VPN in all countries for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And then in case you get any problem while the setup, let me know in the comment section. I'll be guiding you through each and I'll be addressing that particular problem. And that is it. Let us open our Google Play Store and then we download this application, which is STM Tunnel VPN. So you're going to search for this application, STM Tunnel VPN. Now keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. So you're going to download this application and then after open. Now, once you open this application, this is how you're going to set it up. So you're going to allow all the notification permission, and then you're going to check OK, then later. So the first step, you're going to come in the top left corner and then choose this option. You're going to be seeing theme settings, app settings, video settings, open VPN settings, and so many settings. But what we are looking for, how we can be able to update our application. So if you're not able to spot that in that settings or in those settings, kindly come right here where I'm pointing and then check that thing. After you're going to give it some few seconds to give your application a new update. Then after close, make sure that you close all the pop-up adverts. So you're going to come where you see auto select the server and then choose a server that is near to your country's location. But if you're not able to spot out that server, kindly keep in the auto select server. So let's say you're going to come here and then you're going to choose all networks, and then you will be able to look for your country's network. But I do recommend you guys to stay in all countries, and then after press the start and then accept the connection request, and that is it. Let us wait for it to get connected. As you see, it is establishing a secure connection. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Tech, and I probably sign out.